Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add product variations or variable products. Let's get started. So if you want to have this right here, wherein you can choose some variables that you can add to cart, what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just select in here your products on your dashboard. Now I have in here my dashboard and this is a product that I have earlier. Now if you want to actually add product variable, I will guide you to it. So head over and click on this edit on the product that you want to actually add some variables or variations. Once you have clicked on edit, you should be able to see in here the edit product post. What you can do instead is you can scroll down and in here you can see this product data. So head over and click on this product data and change the simple product into a variable product. Click on this variable product right here and as you can see, it's been added. Now in here, you can also set in here your minimum quantity as well as your maximum quantity. And then let's head over here to our inventory. Make sure that you have a lot of inventory for this particular product. So I'll just head over and add in here 100. And in here, you can see the option for attributes. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then add in here an attribute. So for example, let's put in here size. Let's put in here XS. And then let's put this demarcation as a separator. Let's also put in here S and M, L, and also XL. So we have this right here. Make sure to click on this use for variation. Then from there, click on the save attributes. Once you have saved your particular attributes, you can head over right here to your variations. So this will load in here and you can generate variations in here or you can also add manually. If you click on this generate variation, it will show you this one. So click on OK right here. And then this will generate variations for you based on what you inputted. So in here, I have 5 variations, which is the ones or the size that I have added. And now I have this. Click on this edit right here and put in here a price for that. So for example, let's price it at around 99. And let's also price the other things right here. So let me just head over and price them all together in here. And you can also upload an image if you want to as well. But for me, I'll not head over and then add them because it's your tutorial. But if you want to add yours, you can head over and add yours instead. So click on the save changes right here in order to save the changes that you have just made. Once you have saved your changes, you should be able to see the reloaded part of this. Now it's been added, so we can scroll up and click on this update option right here just below the publish option. Once it's been clicked, it will save all the progress that we have made. Now in here, let's head over to our shop page, but instead of looking for this, let's head over and see the actual product that we have. So let's head over to our shop page and then let's locate that product. So I have this product right here. As you can see, I have now the option to click on select options instead of add to cart. That means that we have now some variables. So let's head over and click on the select options. And then once I click on that, we'll have this option right here wherein you can select the size that you want to purchase. And you can head over and add this to your cart. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.